Welcome back to the Hamilton Public Library. This is Linda, and today we'll be making a macrame keychain. You will need 3mm macrame cording, a key ring, and some shorter pieces of macrame cording to tie your project together. You will start with two 10 feet lengths of macrame cording folded in half. We will thread this through the key ring and tie it using a lark's head knot. So do this with both pieces. Make sure the ends are at equal lengths, and then just thread it through with the loop end side, and then pull your strings through the loop and tighten it. To work on this project, it will be helpful to tape down your key ring. So tape down the key ring side as well as the two middle cords. So we're going to find the two middle cords and loosely tape them at the bottom. To complete the project today, we're going to use a technique that we used in the planter video earlier. So it's called a spiral knot. Once we have our project taped down, we're going to use the two outer cords to complete the project. The two middle cords will never move. So here I am, I'm just bundling the ends of the cords because they are too long. So if this is helpful to you, you can do the same. And then as you get through your project, you can remove the knots at the end. So to start off the project, you are going to start with the left cord. Each knot will be made using the left cord. And you're going to position your left cord into a triangle shape. You're going to bring the right cord over, and then you're going to thread the end of the right cord under all the cords and through that triangle. You want to stop about 2 to 3 inches from the key ring because we're going to use that space above it to tie the project together. So very carefully tighten your cords. Make sure the middle cords remain straight. And then start again with the left cord, bring it over into a triangle. I just have to retie my bundle here as it became loose. So you're going to form a triangle again with the left cord, bring the right cord over, and the end will go under and through the triangle. And you're going to continue this pattern throughout the whole project until you get to the end. You will notice that as you are adding each knot, it will form a spiral and it will start to turn. So you can flip the key ring over to prevent it from turning over, and this will help to keep it straight. So here I am, I'm going to continue with the knotting. Always start with the left side. You can see here it's already starting to spiral a little bit. But always start with the left side, bring the right over and under, and gently pull the two cords together. You will see here I'm going to flip over my key ring. If you don't have a key ring with a swivel, you can just remove the tape, flip it over, and tape it down again. Now you can start to see a definite spiral shape. So we're going to continue with this technique until we get to the end of the project, when there's no cording left with the two cords on either side. And then I will show you how to form it into a wristlet and tie it up at the end. We are back with the spiral knotting complete, so you can see it's quite long. And now we're going to take the ends and tie it to the top of the project. So we want to line up parts of the ends with that space we left at the top, and then we're going to cut off the excess amount. So just quickly cut off the the cords to match that little space at the top there, and we're going to use one of our shorter cording to tie it together. Okay, so we're going to take a cord and we're going to do a slip knot. So first we want to fold a little bit of the end. We're going to leave a piece of the cording out. So we'll fold it a little bit into kind of a loop. And then we're going to take the long part of that and wind it around the part of the keychain that has no knotting. So this will tie it together and keep it pretty strong. Okay, so you're going to take the end of that piece and loop it into the loop that we've left. And then you're going to take that piece and the piece you left out at the top, and you're going to pull them together. So you hold the one at the bottom firmly and pull the one at the top until you see the little end go underneath all the winding you just did there. And then you want to trim off all the little pieces of cords that are left over. And this gives your wristlet a nice finished appearance. So once you've trimmed them all off, just adjust the pieces that are left. So you'll have little pieces that are left over. Just try to hide them underneath some of those cords. And now you have your wristlet ready to use. So the spiral knotting helps it slip on and off really easily. You can carry your keys or wallet or whatever you'd like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll catch some of my other videos on this channel.